Hi, welcome to this video tutorial, and of course I remain Moses. So in today's video tutorial, I'm going to familiarizing you with what we call the cPanel. Now to log into your cPanel, either you input your domain name, which is for mine it is masterclass.name.ng/cPanel. So this will take me to a page where I can log in to my cPanel. So to get your cPanel login details, check either your spam mail or your inbox to get your cPanel login details. A mail was sent to you when you registered for a domain name and a host with Spantrix, understand? So it's either the mail enters your spam or you find it in your inbox. So you can always input your username and password to log in. I have mine, but I won't be logging in this way. So another way to log in is to go to your Spantrix account dashboard. So I'm going to log in now. I'm going to click on the client area, and I'm going to be logging into my masterclass account, which is mosesmedownc@gmail.com. So I'm going to log in, and this brings me to my dashboard. So I bought this domain name and host in previous video tutorial. Now something is very important here. If you are making use of MTN to browse, you get me? If you are making use of MTN to browse, I would advise you make use of Chrome to visit any cPanel of any web host, because MTN makes use of what we call alternate IP. So MTN changes the IP or the IP you use like every minute or every hour, depending on the network you are on. So I advise you to use VPN to log into your Spantrix cPanel account. So let me show you something quickly. If I click on services and I have my account here, if I click on this particular account, don't click on the domain name, click on the box. I'm going to click on it. Now it brings me here. I can click on login to cPanel. Now I'm currently using MTN to browse. I'll click on login to cPanel. Now as you can see, I was logged out, and the reason I was logged out is because your IP address has changed. Please log in again. You understand? So this is, if you are using other network, probably Glow, Atisala SpectraNet, or any other network that makes use of static IP, you can always log in. But if you are making use of MTN, you need VPN to make your IP static first. Now the reason why I was being logged out is because cPanel runs in a way such that for security reasons, if your IP change, you'll be logged out. It's just for security reasons. So I'm going to go over to make use of Chrome to make use of Opera Mini. Now Opera Mini comes with a free VPN, so my VPN is on currently. So download Opera Mini if you are making use of MTN. If you browse majorly with MTN, download Opera Mini, turn on your VPN, and I'm going to visit Spantrix.com. I'm going to click on client area to log into my client area. So I'm using mosesmedownc@gmail.com, and my password is here. I'm going to click on remember me. I'm going to click on login. Cool. Now I just logged into my dashboard using Opera Mini. So if you're making use of MTN network, I would advise you make use of Opera Mini so you can log into your cPanel account. So I'm going to click on this right here to visit the dashboard again so I can log into my cPanel. And this time around, I won't be logged out because I'm making use of a VPN right here. So I'm going to click on log into cPanel. As I said earlier, if I'm making use of other network and your IP is static, you can always log in using Chrome. But if you're making use of MTN, you have to log in using a VPN. So if you have a VPN installed on your computer, I can still use Chrome. But if you don't have a VPN installed on your computer, download Opera Mini browser. It comes with a free VPN for you to log in. So I'm going to close this, and this is what we call the cPanel. So let's just come down here. First, the email account. If you want to create email account, probably want to create something like moses@masterclass.com.ng, that kind of email account. This is where you create it. You click on email account and you create it. You create forwarders. I'm still going to familiarize you with all this later on during the training, but I just want you to see how the dashboard looks. and we have the, you don't need this, you rarely use this. Now we have the files. This is where your website files will be stored. So this is your dashboard. This is what you call the cPanel, and this is where you can install your CMS. This is WordPress. You want to install WordPress on your host, this is where you can install it. This is it. We have Joomla, we have this, we have PHP, SMF, WHMCS, Open Real Estate, MyBB, PH7, CMS, Dolphin, and a lot more. Laravel is a framework of PHP. We have OpenCast, we have Concrete CMS, we have ClickBucket, and so on and so forth. So this is how to log into your cPanel account. I'm going to continue from here in the next video tutorial. I remain Moses, and I'm going to see you in the next tutorial.